Alright, boys, there's a nickel down there under all them nails sweeping as such. Bird dog. Call high. Got a 1 in the meter. Going to fast program. Pitch tone, silencer 2 first. Call high. Dropping the silencer to 1 in the fast program. Call high right there. Nothing. Bird dog go field, similar call high. You hear that? Alright. You see that old nickel there, boys? Let's sweep these nails in this bird dog go field. Hear anything, boys? With any kind of call height needed to get that nickel based on depth, you see that situation right there, you might have trouble running this machine conventionally getting that out of there, okay? Alright, boys, a quarter on them nails now under the 2x4. A U.S. quarter non-silver clad sensitive FT silencer 1. Down real close. 3 inches of call height over them nails. You get to hear that machine. It's getting windy out here. There's nothing there I would ever think about stopping on with this machine. There isn't one in that meter though. Bird dog go field. Similar call height. You hear that? And again, there's the quarter. Okay. Again, that would be a tough target to get out of the ground, locate with this machine running it conventionally. I'm over the nails now with the old go field. Okay. Clearly see there's a big difference there. Alright, boys, you see them same nails? There's a U.S. clad diamond of the 2x4 underneath them nails. Sensitive full tone. There's nothing there, boys. Nothing there to dig. Go field bird dog. You hear that? We'll see what we get now with some call height over these nails. We don't hear the same thing, do we? Notice that? Different behavior when that old clad diamond's down there, boys. Looking at some stainless steel there, boys. I've dug a few of them this old site down the road here. Go field. Bird dog. 36 in the meter. Sensitive full tones. Same ID. You hear it singing on it. Alright, that's a piece of ferrous. That's a non-ferrous target screwed up on that. I dug it out of an old site and I found it was go field running Deus 1. Bird dog go field Deus 2. Sensitive FT silencer 1. We hear the iron tone and we hear that turd. Okay? Alright, boys, you see that bolt standing up there? Watch this. Bird dog go field. I've got a 9 in a meter. And I've never seen that machine move off a 9 sweeping that. Sensitive FT silencer 1. You see that? I've never seen the meter move off of 83, 84 sweeping that boat. Alright, got that little nut there. You see that? Bird doggo field. 48 to 52 in the meter. Sensitive FT signs are 1. 63, 67, got some iron component maybe in that signal there, but you can hear that in that camera. Okay, you see that? Got that round head on it. Sensitive FT signs are 1. Got an 86 lock, boys. It never comes off of it. Bird doggo field. Trying to reject that. Hear that? I've got an 89 comes in the meter, but I get some low ID, like 24. Alright, got the same boat standing up, boys. Bird doggo field. Got an 8 locked up in that meter. Sensitive FT silencer 1. Got an 86 locked up in that meter. Every sweep of the call. Same boat, upside down. Goldfield bird dog. Got an 8 locked up in the meter. Never comes off an 8. Sensitive FT silencer 1. Got an 85 in the meter. Does spin to 7 occasionally. It's reading 7 more there than it was the other way around, okay? It's behaving more like Goldfield right there for IG in that configuration. Not that configuration.